Hello, here is some information about tea of Assam. How Assam tea is named. Assam tea is a black tea named after the region of its production. Assam, India. Assam tea is manufactured especially from the plant Camellia sinensis or Assamica. Assam tea is indigenous to Assam. Initial effort of planting Chinese varieties in Assam soil did not succeed. Next, the Assam tea industry. The Assam tea industry is about 172 years old. It occupies an important place and plays a very useful part in the national economy. Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in Upper Brahmaputra Valley. Next, the government tea garden. The tea garden was started by the government in 1833 in erstwhile Lakhimpur district, while the arrival in London of the fine quality tea from this garden in 1938. The commercial circle of the city took a keen interest in tea plantations in Assam, and a company known as the Assam Company was formed in 1839 to take over the experimental holdings of the East India Company administration over the tea gardens established in Assam till then. This was the first company in India to undertake the commercial production of tea and was, in fact, the direct successor of the East India Company. Next, the production of tea in India. According to the Tea Board India, from January to July 2020, the state produced 222.37 million kg of tea compared to the 274.58 million kg of tea produced the previous year. In 2019, the state had produced 716.49 million kg of tea. Initially, the total production of Assam tea came down to 45 to 50%. Tea production as profession. There are around 100 tea estates in Assam which are dedicated to the agriculture of tea. Effect of COVID-19 in tea culture. COVID-19 deepens essential crisis for Assam tea sector. Stiff competition, rising costs and diminishing prices threaten 180-year-old industry. Assam tea industry reports 5.5 million kilogram crop loss between March-June. Economic slowdowns indicators are now visible in Assam tea industry as the input cost rises steadily without a jump in sales. Thank you.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.